Hi guys and welcome to another video. In previous video I showed you how to actually set up your OpenClaw on your Mac Mini and connect it to your Telegram. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect other applications and platforms such as Notion and GitHub to your bot. I'm not sure about you, but this bot already is a huge part of my daily life. Before we begin, please write and comment for me that what are your use cases when it comes to OpenClaw. So the first thing that we need is MCPorter. MCPorter is a CLI that works like a bridge between OpenClaw and all other applications that you want to use their API or MCP servers. It should be automatically installed when you install OpenClaw, but if for any reason you don't have it, you can install it using this command. As you see, I already installed this on my computer, but you can use this command to install MCPorter. Now that we have MCPorter, let's start with Notion. So we come to the marketplace profile. I will put the URL of this page in the description. As you see, I already created an integration, an API for myself, but I'm going to show you how you can do it too. Here, we just define a name. Don't touch this one because it's an internal. Otherwise, if you want to change it to public, you can do it. It's up to you. And here, you can choose your workspace. And this is the workspace I'm going to connect to it. I will create this and that's it. This is the secret key that you should copy this and give it to your bot and all the permissions that you want to give to your bot. I'm not going to change anything here. And let's copy this secret key and go back to our terminal. Now that we have the integration key, we can register the Notion with MCPorter. This is the command that you should run to pass the token, the integration key that you just created, and this will pass everything to this file. Probably for you this file exists somewhere else, but this is the MCPorter configuration for your bot, and anything, any token, any secret key that you want to pass to your bot, it should be saved to this file. And if you run this command, the new configuration with Notion will be created into your MCPorter.json file. Now there is one more extra step. We need to open Notion and select the page that we want our bot has access to it. Let's see how to do that too. So we come here and we go to connection. We search OpenClaw. And I confirm all the access. We can choose a name for our page like test Notion OpenClaw. Now we can go to the bot and ask the bot if it has access to this page or not. And there you go. The bot was able to edit our page. And that's how you can connect any other platforms or applications to your bot. You just need that token, the key, the secret key, API, anything that exists, and share it with your bot using the MCPorter. You can do the same with your GitHub. You can do the same with any other platforms like Linear to share that API with your bot, and then your bot will have access to your entire system based on the permissions that you give to it. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and see you in the next video.